Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the French here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you some item find in my home. I am a sport fan. I got many things in my home, but I am not very well organized. And in the past year, I moved from some other home, and some of my collection I let yet packed. Anyway, I will try to show you some items of my find in the last day in my home. Look on this first item. It's a Sandy Koufax, and this must to be a signed picture by Sandy Koufax. That's crazy. This I purchased from a French, and it was really not a big deal about the price. I pay very low, $5 or $10. In the past year, I know a little bit about baseball. I know that Koufax was a good player, was a legend player, but okay, I buy this, and I ask to the seller because I don't know if it is a real auto or no. And I asked to the French guys who sent me, and he sent me a note. Alors I don't know if it. He said, answer about Sandy Koufax. I don't forget you about about the information about baseball and American football. I am not a professional, and it's just a hobby about learning about sport, history, and politics. And I discovered his nice career about Koufax, and I contact my daughter-in-law. At the time was in California, and she succeeded to contact him. It is a big star in the baseball. Now he's very old. He write me 2009, okay, and okay, maybe his daughter succeed to get this auto. I don't know if it is real auto or no, but the price was very low, but very cheap about these items. I'm very happy. I will try to protect it more. I know this guy love it to send some TTM about all the sport guys or the sport player, and it's very funny because look on the I keep his letter from him, and when he sends some TTMs about the player, look he draw something on this letter, and me I'm really not an artistic guys, but maybe it's a nice idea when we send some TTM requests and try to draw something. But me, I draw like 4 old years kids, and it's unable to do this. Okay, move on. Hope I am not too annoying, but very happy on this story about this item. Is it a real Sandy Koufax auto or not? I don't know, but happy to get this. Move on. I will show you some that it's a postcard about the New York Yankee. I love this postcard because the first day in America it was at the Yankee Stadium for a Yankee game, and that it's very nice. At the back it's a French who sent this postcard to another friend. It's nice. And this postcard look quite old, and very happy with this. Okay, move on. It's right on my TTM sent, and I didn't really not remember. This player was Wesley Walker, and he sent me 2 items. This I don't know if it's really signed or is this a reprint signature. I don't know. And he sent me also this beautiful photo. Looks to be a real auto, but I'm not sure 100%. I don't remember this. I don't remember this item in my collection, but quite happy with this. Let's go. Move on. What is it? This okay. That it's Billy Hatcher. It's not a return about TTM, but it's signed my card, and I was happy to purchase this stuff. On the back you can see some stamp, US stamp, Roy Campanella, Hanks Greenberg, Mickey Mantle, and Mel Holt. Very happy to grab this. Next, that is some postcard. I don't know. I think I purchased it from on the net. I don't know if it's American or European seller, but anyway, this is Roberto Clemente, and it's nice. It's a first day edition or something like this. You see stamp and that. What is the date? July 6, 2000. Nice. In the same collection, I succeed to purchase also, but it's great. Must to be Bob Gibson, I think so. No, my bad. Satchel Paige. He played in the Negro League. What is the team? Then signed with the Cleveland Indians. That is nice. The postmark is 2002. Happy with this nice. The looking of the postcard is great. Move on. I purchased of it. This is must to be an autograph of Hank Blaylock. I like a lot this player because he signed back my TTM request. I'm very happy to grab this. Move on. What is it? Oh, that is the answer. I love to when I send some TTM request. And in the past year, I sent my TTM request to the former football player Vince Young, and it was at his restaurant, and he sent me a coat, or maybe it's not Vince Young, but maybe it's one of his it is family and it's a family corner. Okay, that it's great. Okay, move on. And now what is it? This San Diego Chargers roster, that it's nice. Okay, that this is some it's also some soccer player autograph. Bobby Charlton is crazy nice. I don't know if the real autograph for this player or not. On that it's Monte Anderson or two. It's the same guys where I purchased this the Sandy Koufax auto. I'll also buy this auto, but I don't know if they are real or not. But anyway, happy with this. Move on. What is it? This? I love this. I don't remember. I get this in my collection. Lou Gehrig, Cooper Stone, June 1989. That it's great. And George Halas. Oh, crazy in the bottom. And what Canton? I'm very happy. This is the official first day of issue. And I really no pay a lot of money about this, but I'm very happy with this. And that's what it is, a postcard of the Shea Stadium. When I was at New York, I went to the new Mets stadium, the Citi Field. That it's funny because the Jets and the Mets play to the Shea Stadium. Looks to be like this. That is great postcard. Move on, let's go. That it's, I don't know what is it, this, it's a commemorative day, commemorative stamp, Jeans Top, and was printed in 1984. Happy with this. Look on, at the back there is another thing, I don't know if you see well. It's about Knut Rock. Sorry for my pronunciation. On that, it's the page is printed in 1988. Okay, thank you for watching. All the best and happy collecting. I want to show you another time my Sandy Koufax because looks to be a crazy piece of collection, but I don't know if it's a real auto or not. But I will try to frame it and to put it in some hard display case in order to protect more this autograph. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.